Hey guys, it's Lily, and today I'm going to show you how to change an Instagram picture after posting. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up our Instagram app. So if I wanted to change a photo that I had posted, all I would have to do is go to that photo and tap the three dots on the right-hand side, then select Edit. And then you can change the caption of that photo and maybe tag some people in it, but that's about all you can do with this. You can't just change the photo after it's been posted. It's the same as any other popular social media platforms in that you can edit the caption but not the photo once it's been posted. And the only way to actually change your picture after posting is to press these three lines, and then just delete it. After that, simply repost that photo with all of your edits. That's the only way to do it. The only option you can do on Instagram is edit the caption after you've posted it, but you can't change the photo. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.